this video, I would like to discuss how you can use the ProjectWise 365 share to connect files to your iTwin. Share acts a little bit like a Dropbox, so you can connect your files up there. They're synchronized back to your desktop. You can share models with other people, and yeah, you can use it to link files into your iTwin. So if you head to your iModel manager, pick your project which you would like to update. So in this case, it's this one here. You select the three-dot menu here and pick connections. This will guide you then through the whole process. So the first step is you create a new connection. You can see ProjectWise 365 share here. This one is for ProjectWise by itself. And yeah, and today we want to try the ProjectWise 365 share connection. So you select that, click on next, and then it will ask you to specify a spatial root. A spatial root file is a file which contains real-world data information, so it helps to place your model at the right location. So again, go to your connections, and then in this case, I defined my first file, which I use as a container file, as a spatial root file. So you pick that, select it, and click on next. The next step is your composite models, which is, yeah, it could be broken down into different aspects of your building, for example, the facade or stairs and walls and all that. So again, I store that in the same location, but it can be anywhere on share. That doesn't really matter. So these are all my subfiles, and then I select them, and again I click on next, and the bridge will now check the files. So it defines these are all MicroStation files. So if I have Revit files, it will give me the Revit bridge to be used. So just a quick double check, spatial root, composite models, everything is fine. Click on next. Now you can name your connection. So I call this now from share, but you can put a date in, anything you want. You can also schedule that. So in this case, I leave it on never because I want to trigger it immediately. I want to trigger it on demand whenever I'm ready to do so. But you can put it in every 4 hours, daily or weekly. Now click on create, and the next dialog will show you all your shares, or all your connections actually, not the shares. So you can have a series of files or series of connections with multiple files in here. So you can check everything here, and then you can either start it from there, or if you go back, you can select your connection or all of them, and then click on synchronize, and it will trigger the process. You can double check, it's now in queue, so it will be processed in a few moments, and then all your files will be ready to be viewed in iTwins. These are now completed, and you can view them in iTwins.